then this one.
Uh-oh.
Let's fix it.
Here's the other side.
There you go, bud.
Oh, awesome.
I had to move your frog as well.
Oh, that's okay. Are you going to drive them back into the sandbox now?
Pretty cool sand, eh, buddy?
Oh, this is the water.
You need some water?
Yeah.
You know where you can get some water, don't you? You can get a bucket from the big rain barrel.
I can get it.
Here, where's your bucket? Here, buddy. Get some water. Be careful, don't slip on the sand, okay? No. Just get water and bring it to the sandbox.
Okay.
And then we can make sand castles.
Okay. I will get.
Be careful.
You don't fall in there, Daddy.
Okay, I'll try not, bud.
Where's this hose come from?
It's that black one. It's a soaker hose. It just was buried in the garden when we got here to water plants and stuff.
I got some.
You got some?
Yeah.
You can ask your mommy for some too if you want.
Don't do that to me.
I won't shoot at you, I promise.
Cool.
Uh-oh.
Now look at this, bud. This is how you make sand castles.
I want to do it again.
Oh yeah, you need lots of water, but check this out. See if it make it work.
And I need
See, buddy?
Quentin, look what Uncle Nick built.
There's a sand castle in the shape of that.
Hey, don't do that to
Dump
me.
some water in your bucket. There you go. You're welcome.
What's the more?
Okay, there you go. That's all that's gonna stay. Don't dump it out. Dump it in the. Don't dump it out there. You gotta dump it in the sandbox.
Is that some more?
Okay, there's got to be another one of these.
Just squeeze it partially.
There we go. Okay, take it to the sandbox.
Whoa, cool.
I want some more in here. I want some more.
Hey Quentin, we have a tower now. See if you can destroy the tower. Whoa, almost. No, not quite.
I want some more. I want some more.
You gotta bring the bucket in. Okay. Oh, sorry. Did I spray you?
I want some more.
Okay, well, it's watering the plants at least.
some more. I want some more.